big flag.
Yo, the song is about Firebird. I'm gonna take y'all criminal mystery. Shout out. Prove what's the praise on the inhabited. Now we're in Joey Ice Pit. I'm on the single doors. That's what's up.
She can destroy all that is.
Yeah! Yo, I'm tired of being nice. Yeah, how many of y'all love hip-hop? I'm about to go into hip-hop. Check it. Yo, that's me going in when it's first time. The one who's been a verse, killing them all. So on the way out. Notice I ain't playing with these
Simple to throw.
I rehearse roll verse, but for shit me show. Yeah, I'm like with it. Like a Jordan shooting free throw. The rest of the beat, and to rip with my field goal. Yeah, it has no mention. Dragging your ass along like four flags.
Just itching.
Separate the line. Arrive, crystallize, which was alive. Physically, this dirty blind guy. Strategize, how overtime. Mentally, I break them down the side. Identify
Over your life,
seven
equalize.
Immobilize polarity. Control your every level on your feet.
Mental philanthropy.
1122 days, okay?
Traveling.
Building up the peace, simple
Flames
flames.
unraveling.
Yeah! Yo, how many of y'all love hip-hop? Yo, for the ladies, yo. Yeah, check it out, baby. Yo, I'm sorry, done with
Holy rapper.
you know the ones gon' shit.
They were the kids after.
Yeah, I can kill him, put these on the paper, leave
Master.
Little ancestors, street,
With a whip body master.
Black Panther, black face,
Loaded black cages.
in the name of the family, super gay, super
Signs of self.
I'm always down with the proper training of a black belt. Looking for who got next. Spearhead chopper,
Shot blocker.
jump forward, two sides, dance with the wall.
Kevin Costner.
Play underwater,
Body ball rocket. Y'all let it live.
dance in the hostel. Cast down devils from the
Mothership.
Sophisticated of a warrior.
Look at the starship.
Yeah, the
Other shit. Disaster feminine. Yo.
How many of y'all love hip-hop? Yo, how many of y'all love hip-hop? Yo, yeah,
What's up with it, man? What's up with it, man? It's Hollywood Rick Hard. We at the Impact Records Pool thing. You know, if you don't know me, I give artists a chance to party, perform, build a fan base, network. You ain't gotta sell no tickets. You ain't gotta bring nobody. If you try to get paid, you on that level, you can get paid. Hollywood Rick Hard events. That's what it is.
You have just watched a BZFilmz production.